Ransomware these days is very well organized. The attacker is not simply delivering a software payload to encrypt the customer's data, but instead they're taking an active role in that process. For example, let's say that a ransomware attacker has gained access to the business network using phishing. This is the most common way in, and it's still a method by which many businesses don't fully protect against. So our attacker has gained access to the business network, and they can start interrogating that network to learn how the business runs. So they understand that the business uses Oracle as their company database. They use Dynamics as their accounting system. They use Office 365. They're using VMware as their primary hypervisor. And let's say that they're using Veeam as their backup solution. This represents a fairly common setup for many SME organizations. But we also have to think about the ransomware attacker as an organization, as they're going to function like one. They're going to project manage this attack. And that means that they're going to bring in specialists for each of these areas. They're going to bring in Oracle experts who specialize in compromising Oracle and RMAN systems. There'll be a second team who are experts in exploiting Dynamics. There'll be a third team who understand Active Directory and Azure Active Directory, so they can not only gain access to the local authentication systems, but they can also gain access to the data in Office 365. And finally, there'll be a team that are Veeam experts who understand the nuances on how Veeam works, but are also familiar with working around ransomware protection features, such as immutable repositories. So if we consider the attacker as a fully formed organization with huge resources and expertise at their disposal, then certainly they have an advantage, and it's not surprising that so many businesses are forced to pay the ransom.